Hi everybody. One of the things that I've missed most is being able to read to you in our classroom. And so I thought I would like to try reading to you this way and see how it goes. There's an author named Leo Lionni. This is one of his books. It's called The Color of His Own. I have a feeling many of you know it. Leo Lionni wrote many, many books. I have another one here called It's Mine. And what's special about his books and what's different is that not only is Leo Lionni the author, but he's also the illustrator. And I just read that he learned how to draw by going to museums and practicing and copying some of the paintings in museums. So he taught himself how to draw. I'm going to read the book It's Mine today. You could see that not only does it have the word it's and mine, but it has an exclamation point at the end. So we say it with excitement. It's Mine by Leo Lionni. In the middle of Rainbow Pond, there was a small island. Smooth pebbles lined its beaches, and it was covered with ferns and leafy weeds. On the island lived 3 quarrelsome frogs named Milton, Rupert, and Lydia. They quarreled and they quibbled from dawn until dusk. Quarrel means to fight. When you quarrel with somebody, you're fighting with them. Stay out of the pond, yelled Milton. The water is mine. Get off the island, shouted Rupert. The earth is mine. The air is mine, screamed Lydia as she leaped to catch a butterfly. And so it went. One day, a large toad appeared before them. I live on the other side of the island, he said, but I can hear you all shouting, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine, all day long. There is no peace because of all your endless bickering. You can't go on like this. With that, the toad slowly turned around and he hopped away through the weeds. No sooner had he left than Milton ran off with a large worm. The others hopped after him. Worms are for everybody, they cried. But Milton croaked defiantly, no, not this one. This one is mine. Suddenly the sky darkened and a rumble of distant thunder circled the island. Rain filled the air and the water turned to mud. The island grew smaller and smaller as it was swallowed up by the rising flood. The frogs were scared. Desperately, they clung to the few slippery stones that still rose above the wild, dark water. But soon, those too began to disappear. There was only one rock left, and there the frogs huddled, trembling from cold and fright. But they felt better now that they were together, sharing the same fears and the same hopes. Little by little, the flood subsided. The rain fell gently and then stopped altogether. The rain subsided. I bet you know what that means. You're right. The rain stopped. Subsided means stop. But look, the large rock that had saved them was no rock at all. You saved us, shouted the frogs when they recognized the toad. That was not a rock. That was the toad. The next morning the water had cleared. Sun rays chased silver minnows on the sandy bottom of the pond. Joyfully the frogs jumped in, and side by side they swam all around the island. Together they leaped after the swarms of butterflies that filled the air. And later, when they rested in the weeds, they felt happy in a way that they had never felt before. Isn't it peaceful, said Milton. And isn't it beautiful, said Rupert. And you know what else? Said Lydia. No, what? The others asked. It's ours. So all the things around us in nature belong to every single one of us. The grass, the trees, the bushes, the sun, the moon, so many things that are around us belong to everybody. This page tells you a little bit about Leo Lionni, and it says that he was born in a country called Holland. And as I told you, he taught himself how to draw when he was very little. He was a child when he went to museums. And that is the story of It's Mine. I hope everyone liked it, and I'll talk to you again soon. Love you, everybody, miss you. Bye.